how to buy MEDIAX token. So this token came under the symbol of MEDX. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, so before going on with this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, they repost this post from the MEXC account. So if you check it, you can see this. We are thrilled to announce that the MEDIAX protocol Kickstart has concluded, and MEDIAX will be listed on MEXC. So deposit open it from now. This pair, it's available for trading, as you can see yesterday. So what you need to do, just go to your MEXC account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find a referral link and create an account on MEXC under it to benefit from your rewards and finally do some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, go and log into your account. As you can see, go back to this post, just copy this token symbol here. Now go to search and paste it, as you can see. So as you can see, if you find this pair, click on it and we'll have a few seconds to load the page for trading this token on your account. Now click on limits. As you can see here, type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your accounts, and click here on buy MEDX. Now after that, what you need to do, if you select the market instead of limit, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy MEDX. So this is how to buy MEDX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.